Best car paint touch-up pens quickly hide minor scratches, prevent rust, restore shine, and keep resale value high longer lasting. My today's video is about top 5 best car paint touch-up pens for minor scratches that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Stotor Black Touch-Up Paint for Cars. This black car paint touch-up pen is a practical solution for drivers who want to fix scratches quickly without expensive body shop visits. The formula feels thicker than many budget options, helping it spread evenly while creating a glossy finish that blends well with existing paint. For light scratches, paint chips, and scuffs, it does a solid job of making damage far less noticeable. One of its biggest strengths is color matching. Designed to suit most black vehicles, it blends surprisingly well on many factory black shades. While exact results can vary by brand and age of paint, it performs better than generic touch-up products. The 2-in-1 design adds real convenience. The metal tip is excellent for tiny chips and narrow scratches, while the brush handles wider damaged areas with better control than spray cans. Drying in around 10 minutes makes repairs fast and hassle-free. It also adds protective value by sealing exposed metal from moisture, UV rays, and future rust. Overall, this is an affordable, easy-to-use maintenance tool every black car owner should keep nearby. Now our second product is Comfix Gloss Black Rim Touch-Up Paint. This gloss black will repair pen is an impressive solution for restoring damaged rims without paying for professional refinishing. It works especially well on curb rash, scratches, scuffs, and small corrosion spots, covering blemishes with rich pigment while bringing back the deep black shine many alloy wheels lose over time. Once applied, the finish looks smooth and noticeably improves the overall appearance of the wheel. Its strongest feature is the color match. The gloss black tone blends naturally with most factory black wheels, helping repairs look clean instead of obvious patchwork. It also adds a polished, mirror-like shine that keeps rims looking fresh and uniform. Durability is another major plus. The paint bonds firmly to metal surfaces and resists rain, car washes, brake dust, and sunlight. Unlike weaker touch-up products, it is less likely to peel or fade after repeated use. The 2-in-1 applicator makes repairs easy. Use the fine tip for chips and edge marks, while the brush covers larger scraped areas. Overall, it's a smart, affordable wheel maintenance tool for black rims. Our third product is Duplicolor AFM 0229 Oxford White Ford. Duplicolor Scratch Fix All-in-One is one of the most convenient touch-up solutions for car owners who want professional-looking repairs at home. Instead of buying separate prep tools, paint, and clear coat, this single tool combines everything needed to repair chips and scratches efficiently. It is especially useful for DIY users who want fast results with minimal mess. The standout feature is its factory match paint color paired with included clear coat. When matched correctly to your vehicle color code, repairs blend naturally and restore the original appearance much better than generic touch-up paints. The clear coat also adds gloss and helps protect the repaired area. Preparation is often overlooked, but the built-in abrasive fiberglass tip is a smart addition. It removes loose paint and surface rust so the new paint adheres better and lasts longer. Its dual paint applicators add precision and versatility. The pen tip handles thin scratches neatly, while the chisel brush works well for chips and wider damaged spots. The foam clear coat applicator finishes the repair smoothly. Overall, it's a reliable, all-in-one touch-up tool worth keeping in any garage. Now number 4, Smaffy Gloss Black Rim Touch-Up Paint. This black rim repair pen is a smart and affordable way to restore damaged wheels without expensive refinishing. It works well on curb rash, scratches, scuffs, chips, and minor corrosion, covering imperfections with rich pigment that quickly revives the original glossy black appearance. For everyday cosmetic wheel damage, the improvement is immediate and noticeable. One of its biggest strengths is color matching. Designed to blend with most black OEM wheel finishes, it helps repairs look seamless instead of patched. The gloss level is impressive, giving rims a fresh factory-style shine while helping maintain a clean, uniform look across all wheels. The formula dries quickly yet remains durable. Once cured, it resists rain, car washes, brake dust, road grime, and heat better than many cheaper touch-up paints. It also creates a protective barrier that helps prevent future oxidation and paint deterioration. Its 2-in-1 applicator adds convenience and control. The pen tip is ideal for fine scratches and edge nicks, while the brush covers larger scraped areas smoothly. Overall, this is an excellent maintenance tool for keeping black wheels sharp and well maintained. And our last choice is Scuffs Matte Black Rim Touch-Up Paint. The Scuffs Matte Black Rim Repair Kit is a practical solution for drivers dealing with chips, curb rash, and scratches on black alloy wheels. Even minor rim damage can expose metal and eventually lead to corrosion, so using a touch-up product like this can help prevent more expensive wheel repairs later. It is especially useful for daily driven vehicles where road debris and curb contact are common. The matte black finish blends well with many factory and aftermarket rims, making scratches far less noticeable. While exact matching can vary depending on wheel brand and wear, it performs well on most matte black surfaces. Ease of use is one of its strongest points. After cleaning the damaged area and shaking the pen thoroughly, the fine tip works nicely for small chips while the brush is better for larger scuffs and scraped edges. Drying in around 10 minutes means quick results with minimal downtime. For best appearance, practice first on cardboard or scrap metal to control paint flow. Overall, this is an affordable, effective rim maintenance tool for protecting and refreshing matte black wheels. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.